radio. Oh, of fucking course. They're on to you, Deputy. Sounds like there's 2 more tankers and they're making a run for cover. Don't let them get away.
Nick and Kim are good people.
Hey, Deputy, if you need another plane, come back to our airfield. We got a bunch in the hangar.
So that's the Rise crib. His wife Kim is hot. Even preggo as hell. Still hot.
Yeah, Nick's not real subtle.
Nothing like a joyride. You got your bow hunting license, Jess? You don't need one. You know, hunting shit, that's pretty dope. I wonder if I'll get to see it out. I wanted to be a race car driver when I grew up, but there was just too many dang rules. Can't put spikes on your wheels, can't shoot a gun out the window, can't show up drunk the day of the race. Life's too short.